Okay, for the banana bread, we are going to need 2 9x5 cake loaves. I lined it with parchment paper. I greased it and lined it. I have the oven heating at 350 degrees. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 5 small bananas that are very ripe, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1½ sticks of melted butter and cooled, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to mash our bananas. We are going to take our bowl. We're going to put in our flour, our salt, our baking soda, and our cinnamon. And we're just going to give this a good whisk. Make sure everything is incorporated nicely. Now we are going to add our brown sugar. Break that up. Make sure there's no clumps. Okay, we are going to mix in the eggs, the butter, the vanilla, and the bananas. Okay, we're going to switch to a wooden spoon, and we are going to mix this. Okay, about halfway through, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. Okay, we have everything poured in. Try to get them as even as possible so they can bake at the same time. They're going to go into a 350-degree oven, and I'll be back to show you what they look like. Okay guys, the cake came out of the oven. They were in there for exactly 35 minutes, and this is what they look like. Very moist and a real nice treat for just any time. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and share the videos.